Andy, welcome to Soup Top Recipes. Today we're making garlic shrimp with vermicelli noodles. This is one of my family's most requested dishes. It's super easy to make, comforting, and absolutely delicious. Honestly, it's so good that for a long time I wanted to keep it as a secret in case I ever wanted to open a restaurant, but since I don't have plans like that, I'm sharing it with you today. First, soak the mung bean vermicelli in clean water. These are super thin noodles, so they only take about 10 minutes to turn soft. Other types, such as rice vermicelli or sweet potato vermicelli noodles, will also work, but you may adjust the soaking time depending on the thickness. While waiting, let's make a quick sauce. In a small bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, a quarter cup of diced cilantro. If you're not a fan of cilantro, scallions make a good replacement. 3 tablespoons of diced red chilies. If you love spicy food like me, use Thai bird-eye chilies. If you can't handle any heat, use red bell peppers. Last, a quarter cup of water. And mix well. This blend is savory, aromatic, and will coat the noodles beautifully. I love to use a clay pot for this recipe. It gives this dish a cozy, rustic feel. I've been selling this big clay pot for 3 years. Many of you loved it and were asking for the smaller version. Now I finally made it available. You can check the link in the description and grab one for your kitchen. Preheat the clay pot until hot. If you don't have a clay pot, a stock pot will work just as good. Add 4 tablespoons of butter. I know, butter isn't a traditional Chinese ingredient. We would normally use peanut oil, but the combination of butter, garlic, and shrimp is unbeatable. Toss in some diced sweet onion and stir fry over medium-low heat until the onion bits become soft and the edges turning slightly brown. This will take about 5 minutes. Add the enoki mushrooms. Any edible mushrooms will work, but I prefer enoki because they look like noodles. If using other kinds of mushrooms, please slice thinly before cooking. You don't need to wait for the mushrooms to cook. Just spread them evenly on the bottom of the pot. This is very important. They act as a protective layer to prevent the noodles from sticking to the bottom. Take the noodles out of the water and add to the clay pot. Spread them out as well. Add the shrimp on the top. Pour in the sauce. Put on the lid and cook over low heat for 6 to 10 minutes or until the shrimp are cooked through and you're done. One of the reasons I love using a clay pot is that it also doubles as a beautiful serving dish. You can take it straight from the stove to the dining table. The thick wall retains plenty of heat and keeps the food hot for a long time, which makes the whole meal feel cozy and warm. This is an easy one-pot recipe that's beginner-friendly, yet tastes like something you will order at a legit Chinese restaurant. The noodles are springy and flavorful, the shrimp are juicy and tender, and the garlic butter sauce ties it all together. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and authentic Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!